Welcome back to another video. We're joined with this lovely FL5 behind me and we're about to put this thing on the floor. For today's video, we're joined with this lovely purple looking FL5 beside me. Lovely purple looking. It's purple. If you want to see more outtakes like this, make sure you watch to the very end of the video. For today's video, we are joined with this purple FL5 beside me. Let us know what you think of the colour in the comments below. Clearly I've got a bit of a soft spot for a different coloured FL5 as I've got a green one myself. But for today's video, we're going to be fitting air suspension and dropping this thing right to the floor. The kit we're going to be using is part airlift and part AirX. So we're going to be using AirX struts with the airlift management system on the car. We pride ourselves on being able to deliver as many performance parts for the FL5 and the previous FK8 and FK2 models. That being from basic bolt-ons down to suspension, wheels and tyres, and all the other things that you'll be considering to get the most out of the handling whilst your car's on track. But there are times when we need to put together show cars. So that's where we got to today. We've got the air suspension on the side, we're about to get the car on the ramp. Let's get this thing down. So you would have seen already, we've now got the struts installed and moved our focus over to the rear end. I've had the tank installed, the compressor and the manifold all functioning. The car's doing everything that it should do, dropping down, raising back up. But now is the time to try and make it look nice and neat. So a lot of the lines we've tucked in the back there along with the wiring, and you won't see that, but it will function as intended. I'm really looking forward to showing you the finished product, as we don't see too many builds like this here at Dream, nor do we fit much air suspension either, but it certainly looks like the FL5 has been designed to be slammed to the floor. So with installation now complete, let's roll it outside and see how it looks. So there you have it, an FL5 on air suspension. Have we ruined this Type R? Or have we made it an absolute show queen? Let us know in the comments below. One of the unique things about air suspension is you can obviously run at variable heights. We're at maximum settings here, so great for clearing speed bumps. However, we can run it slightly lower, like this. We can there and air out and go a step further. If you've enjoyed watching today's video and you want to see more show cars on our channel, let us know in the comments below. But as always, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, turn those notifications on. But before you go, the Civic's got one little trick still left up its sleeve. It still drives aired out. We were pleased to catch back up with the FL5 and its owner James. You can follow him on Instagram, which is noface with a double E 25. Whilst we were at Brands Hatch for Time Attack and the Tunerfest Show. Covered a video on this last week, so if you haven't already, go back and check that one out where you'll see all the format of Time Attack and the cars that are on display for Tunerfest Show. We're also especially pleased because the car picked up an award for the best car in the club stands, so really starting to prove its worth as a show car. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Now let's sit back and watch some of the outtakes. So we've got a few things to learn on this one. Attention dealer. So I don't mind a different coloured FL5. Fucking waffling bullshit. For today's video, we're joined with this lovely purple looking FL5 beside me. Lovely purple looking, it's fucking purple. Of an airlift kit and an AirX management system, which is going to give us, what's it giving us? So clearly we provide, we usually are able to, through that fucking waffling too much, suspension. Now, clearly we've managed to fucking fuck off. All being, what am I even saying? So, clearly the wrap is in your face. We pride ourselves on being able to, fucking talk too fast now. Designed to be slammed. Right, how this looks once it's, no, fuck off. I really look, there's a fucking little laugh come out of that one too. Yeah. Fucking hell. Right, let me do that one again. There you have it, an FL5 on air suspension. Fucking didn't shut the door. And then we can air out. Still drives aired out. But before you go, the Civic's got one little tree, one little fucking drop. But before you go, the Civic's got one little